Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. Palantir just released the earning today after hours, and Palantir stock is down about 8%. It was up before the earnings, around 8%, but now it's down. Let's take a look at Palantir earnings and try to find out why Palantir stock is down and what should we expect tomorrow and rest of the week. You see this table on your screen. This table has the earning projection and the actuals, historical data, and the latest earning data that just got released after earnings. So I also made a video over the weekend and I had an opinion that Palantir would not be able to beat the earnings with a big margin. So they released the earnings and the actuals came 0.08 versus the projection 0.08. So it did not beat the earnings with a big margin, or rather, it just matched the earnings projection. In terms of revenue, the revenue projection was 615 million and the actuals came 634. That is 3.09% up. Another disappointing thing is the revenue guidance. Let's take a look. You see here, I'm showing you the finance.yahoo.com. The future outlook revenue guidance for Q2 is set between 649 million and 653 million, and the full year revenue expectation raised between 2.67 billion and 2.689 billion, and that's not a very big jump. So this tells that the revenue year over year is not going to be very solid for this year. Let's take a look at other numbers also. Net income 106 million actual versus the projected 178.98 million. So net income also missed the expectation, but compared with the last year same quarter, it went up. Free cash flow also good, 149 million, 23% margin, robust margin. That's good. So overall the numbers are mixed, but I'm not very happy with the numbers because in my opinion the earnings were not very great, and also the revenue guidance for this year is not very promising. So that's why you see Palantir stocks are down 8%. See on your screen, before the earnings Palantir closed 25.21, that was 8% up, and after earnings is down 8.3%. I also showed you this file over the weekend, and I told you guys that the forward P ratio for Palantir is much higher than the other AI stocks. So this tells that we saw the disappointing revenue guidance and the earnings. So there was some room for Palantir to go further down. So that's why it's 8% down. And tomorrow, yeah, we can see a negative opening tomorrow, and also the Palantir stock may go down tomorrow as well. But after a day or two, the news will settle down and Palantir will start moving up again. As I mentioned in my last video that around the average point, for example, below 22 was a good price to buy for Palantir. Let's take a look what happens tomorrow, and then after a day or two, I'll make another video and try to estimate the latest min, max, and the average points for Palantir, and let you know also what will be the good price range to buy Palantir stock. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.